how to add a container in Elementor. So the first thing that we want to do is log into our Elementor account here, and then hover over the preview of our website here, and we will select Edit with Elementor. Now this is going to load up the website editor here, so just give it some time to load up, and yours should look a little something like this, maybe without the added container here. But basically, if you want to add it, you can find it under the layout section, and you should be able to see container here. If you can't see it, then what you're going to do is you're going to search for container, and it's going to show this option only. Now if we want to add it, I'm just going to left click on it, and it's going to add here to the top, and we can edit it. So the first thing that we can edit is the layout itself. So it can be a flex box or it can be grid. So if you see here grid, we can add different sections for it. So it has 6 different sections. Now we can also outline the grid itself or hide it. And we can also change the style itself. So the background color, we can add a different background color. We can also give it some borders here. So as you can see, I can choose a different border type here. So if I do dotted here, it's going to outline my container. And I can also choose one of those other ones as well. Now if we go to the advanced setting here, we can change the layout, the effects, and we can also add custom CSS. But the essential of how you can add a container in Elementor is this. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.